We're gonna call Erica right now. Hey, are you there?
Yeah.
What day is it today?
I know what day it is.
It's Taco Tuesday! Let's go!
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
What's up everyone, Erica and Ronnie here from Spark Hoppers TV, about to dive into Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday?
We're about to hit up a local Mexican restaurant in Hollywood, Florida.
It's my favorite. It's not her favorite, it's her second favorite, but my favorite.
My second favorite Mexican restaurant, but we're about to go there for Taco Tuesday.
Woo!
They got a special going on for $6.
$6 and a drink.
And a drink. So
Every Tuesday, unlimited sloppy tacos.
as much as you can eat.
Last time I ate 9 tacos, she had I
I
think
could only
6.
do 6. Yeah,
And
I
they're
tapped out.
they're not even like fully packed, but they're just so tasty and so fresh,
And so authentic.
so authentic. And I'm gonna be honest with you. Ever since then, I don't even want to eat Taco Bell anymore.
Oh yeah, no, forget it. So Taco Tuesday, Patron Azteca.
If you're ever in the Hollywood area, head on over to 5181 Sheridan Street. That's where it's located. Not just for Taco Tuesday, but their menu is delicious. Spark Hoppers TV, we're ready to eat.
Hello, Mrs. Sparky.
Hi.
Are you ready to eat?
Yeah.
Look at that platter. So for $6, there it is. From 3 p.m. to close. Come to this booth right here and munch out.
I am so excited.
We made it. We're ready to eat now.
So we're not going to be checking out the menu on this video. We're saving that for the next one. But right now we're starting off with free chips and salsa, my favorite. Look at the diced tomato, the onions, the cilantro, the salsa coming all together. It is pure glory. It's not too spicy. It's right down the middle like a strike. I love it. So for our first batch of tacos, we got the hard shell kind. I got chicken, Erica got beef. It comes with shredded cheese, diced tomatoes, and lettuce. Even though the crunch is mighty good, we're not the biggest fans of the hard shell, so we followed it up with the soft taco, and that's where it gets interesting. That's where it gets good. That's where we start dipping it into the salsa and start dancing a little bit. You know what I mean? There you go. Ooh. I've never been to Mexico, and I know this is a basic taco, but I'm telling you guys right now, with every bite that I take, I feel like I'm traveling over there for just $6. Like, it's that serious. It's that fresh, and I'm trying to emphasize on the freshness because the flavor that the chicken and the beef packs, it's honestly like you made it at home. But at the end of the meal, you tally the score. Good food, good price, good environment, great service. What else can you ask for? Tell me, especially on a Taco Tuesday. So we'll be back real soon. Patron, Azteca, Hollywood, Florida. What are you guys waiting for? I will see you on here on the next one. Thank you for tuning in. Peace out.